Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube, and today we are going to open up this Kidzlabs animation. Wait, here. We didn't know, but they came in an instruction here. Okay, we got this set of that set. So let's open it. Ooh, cardboard. We don't need this cardboard. So we have this like, oh, a horse. It's like a horse running. And we got some of this for the parts. And more parts. My favorite. Look, the plastic is just like this, so we can just like that. And it's my favorite plastic. Let me squeeze it first. I really like the color. Just like a diamond. Just like a diamond. And came in instruction. Okay. Hey, this is Pac-Man. It's Pac-Man. Pac-Man. So let's start. So I got this, which I already showed you guys. This diamond, I really like it. Whoa. Mommy, do you like it?
Yeah.
It's diamond. And we got this tools. Yeah, we need Daddy to help this. And we got this part for the pieces, I guess. Yeah, I know. And we have this awesome. So we can do a movie theater just like in the movie. So we have a girl that's skipping. Girl skipping. And we got this gymnastic one, which I really like. I like gymnastic. We just like have a jack. Wait. Oh my gosh! It's other way around too. So, okay. So there's a girl skipping and a bird. A bird that's flying. Create our own. So I'm gonna make a unicorn. Okay, so see the part 3 video. I'm gonna help with my dad. Bye. Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube, and today it's the part 3 of this video to making this animation. So Daddy already taught me what to do. So there's come here, right? And there's a hole here, and there's a circle, and put it in the hole, and you see this. Okay, and where is it? Oh yeah, this is the same, right? Here, the same. Now put it in there. And here we go. And to see this, we're going to just like that. And just like this. Okay, just like this. And then here. See, there's a little hole here. See? And we're going to put it in there. and it can spin. And we can just pick whatever kind of we want with this. And you see this? Oh, wait. You see there's a little, this thing right there? And we're gonna circle it on this hole. And and you see this? We're gonna plug it in with that to make it okay, and just like that. And we're gonna put it in here. See, there's a little hole. We're gonna put it in here. This is also another hole that is bigger for this. And yeah, okay. For this, the bigger hole is for this. There. Okay, just like that. And we're gonna plug it in with this here, and we're gonna plug it in. And you see this? We can switch this, and there's a light. So wait for a minute. Okay, let it start. Whoa. Okay, you guys see it there? Here, there's a thing, and you guys can see it. Okay, so guys, that is for this video. Don't forget to comment down below, like, share, comment. Don't forget to like for me. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and bye guys.